We're going to replace this wheel. You can see it's on a piece of luggage that the rubber's coming off the wheel, but this is a really nice piece of Travel Pro luggage. So time to replace the wheel instead of replace the luggage. Ordered some wheels online. I will link down below. Just going to show you the one wheel, how to do it. You can pop the wheel out. You can see there is a pin in there. Taking the wheel out, you can see it slides down. I have a replacement wheel here. It's a little harder to do on camera than I thought it would be because of this angle. Got the washer on first. Now to put the axle through, when I tested this, I had to use the pliers just to hold it. Okay, got the washer over, washer on both sides, line this hole up here. Make sure that this tongue, just make sure you see it here, you can see that fits right in there perfectly. Now it took me some jimmying to get this down, and now it's time to Loctite the screw, because it does actually go into a metal shaft or metal female. So let's hope we can do this without making too much of a mess. Oh boy, I always make a mess with Loctite no matter what I do. I try to be so careful. And the Loctite always gets the better of me. All right, that's done. We have the wheel on, screw in, and it sits. Anyways, make sure you get a wide enough wheel. The diameter on this, I want to say was 62 millimeter, but I'm not positive. I'll link below the wheels that I got, but you should get whatever works for you in your suitcase. Good luck.